Brain fog was not sudden for me. It crept in through small daily habits that felt harmless. One of them was what I drank without thinking. Over time, I noticed slower recall and less mental clarity. That pushed me to review the science in my routine with a calm, realistic approach. Brain function depends on hydration and stable glucose. I learned that some common drinks may indirectly affect cognitive health when consumed in excess. According to the World Health Organization and the National Institutes of Health, long-term patterns like high sugar intake, poor hydration, and excessive alcohol can influence brain health and increase risk factors linked to cognitive decline. The goal is not fear, it is awareness and balance. 7 everyday drinks to watch and adjust. Sugary soft drinks. Frequent intake may contribute to insulin resistance and inflammation, which are linked in studies in journals like Alzheimer's and Dementia to cognitive decline risk. Energy drinks. High caffeine and sugar can disrupt sleep and increase stress hormones, both important for memory health. Sweetened fruit juices. Lack of fiber causes rapid glucose spikes compared to whole fruits. Excess alcohol. Heavy or frequent intake is associated with brain structure changes according to research in the Dementia. Artificially sweetened drinks. Some observational studies suggest possible links to stroke risk, though results remain mixed. High sugar coffee drinks. Added syrups and creamers turn a simple drink into a blood sugar spike. Low water intake replaced by other drinks. Dehydration alone can reduce attention and memory performance. I did not quit everything at once. I started by replacing 1 drink a day with water or unsweetened tea. Within weeks, I felt more stable energy and fewer mental dips during the day. It was not dramatic, it was consistent and real. Simple alternatives that support brain function. Water is the main drink, supports circulation and focus. Green tea 1 to 2 cups daily, contains antioxidants that may support brain health. Black coffee in moderation, without excess sugar, can support alertness. Milk or plant-based options provide nutrients when unsweetened. Scientific context matters. Studies in the journal Nutrients highlight how dietary patterns influence cognitive aging. Research in Lancet Public Health discusses how lifestyle factors combine to affect long-term brain outcomes. No single drink causes dementia on its own. Patterns over time are what matter. Effects vary by intake and individual health. Some people tolerate caffeine or sugar differently. Moderation and awareness are key for long-term balance. Consult your doctor for personalized advice. Possible cautions include excess caffeine affecting sleep and high sugar increasing metabolic strain. Keep intake balanced. To track progress, I kept a simple log. Daily drink choices and how I felt mentally. Weekly review of focus and memory tasks. Over time, patterns became clear and easier to adjust. This is not about restriction. It is about making smarter daily choices that support your brain over years, not just days. Small shifts in what you drink can quietly protect your clarity and focus. Start with one better choice today. Like and share if this helped. Clear mind begins with simple habits.